All right, folks, you just watched how to make the one-stroke flower. So we're going to practice that, okay? Again, you dip your paintbrush half into the white, half into the red, okay? Let's go and make our first petal. We're gonna make a total of 1, 2, 3, and 4 petals, okay? So remember, the white always goes on the outside. And I'm just barely going zigzags, barely moving my paintbrush. Again, I get some more white and then red. I'm going to go lower, the bottom part of the petal. Remember, white is always on the outside. And I'm just going back and forth. All right, now let's do the left and right hand side. Again, half white, half red. There is no mixing or blending going on. And we do the opposite side. You can connect them or you can make them a little bit separate. Again, white and then red. And we do the opposite side. Remember, white always on the outside. Great, I like how that one came out. Let me show you how to do that middle part for that little circle. Again, white, red. White is going on top and we're going to make an upside down U. So upside down U, okay? White, red, and then we connect that U. Perfect. Now, to get those little gaps in between, I'm going to make 2 more petals. Again, white, red. Now let's go ahead and do the stem. I did again white and red, and I just go ahead and connect it, go down. And I'm just using the edge part of my brush. I'm not pressing it down. And to make a simple leaf, again white and red, I'm just doing an S. So, and then lift back up. So go ahead and practice on your white sheet of paper or in your sketchbook, and then we can start, and then you can get any color construction paper and work on your flower. All right, folks, can't wait to see how they all come out.